Hi there. This is a requirements traceability matrix. And the purpose of this requirements traceability matrix is to link the product requirements from their original source to the deliverables that satisfy them. And this template has also been designed to help you prioritize, track the status of, as well as the stage of each item captured here, and track the stages through design and development. So let's take a look at the different fields that we have available here. For each requirement, we would input whether that's a system requirement or a non-functional requirement, and we would then trace that requirement back up um, through the user requirements area, through the business requirement, and which would be coming from the project scope all the way up to the project charter. And that way, that would give us the traceability of this item all the way up to its source. You can see here we have a green section here that allows us to track the status of the item, the priority of the item, and what the state of that feature. And then finally, we've got a section here that allows us to track that item through the design stage, the test stage, test cases being built, test cases being verified, and if modifications were required. So this is what a blank template looks like. To take a look at a completed example, let's show you this guy. So here you can see that we have the system requirement here is to ensure the system is accessible via a PC and Mac. We can trace that back to the user requirements. The portal should be accessible via any device, back to the business requirement that's documented here, and then finally clear back up to the scope that's captured within the project charter. You can also see with respect to the status, this one's been completed. It was of a high priority. It was assigned, and you can also see here we have the ability to track the item through its various stages through the design and development. So again, a requirements traceability matrix. So I hope you find great value in this one.